Breakfast time, hooray, hooray! Yummy food to start the day. Milk and fruit and toast so sweet. Healthy breakfast, good to eat. It's school time, let's all cheer. Friends and fun are waiting here. Books and pencils come along, learning together with a song.